Whenever summer comes around, one of my favorite parts of the home is my garden in the backyard. It's simple but cozy and is my go-to place to relax and enjoy the summer. My name is Victoria and I'm the digital editor here at NextHome. Let me take you through the 5 ways I make my backyard into my own little oasis. Tip number 1, I invested in bird feeders. One of the best parts of the warmer seasons here in Canada is the return of our avian wildlife. Every few days, I make fresh hummingbird nectar and add it to my feeder. Look at how cute and magical they are. They almost look like little fairies. Tip number 2, I planted an herb garden. A certain joy comes with growing your own herbs and vegetables that you can later use in homemade meals. I love having parsley, basil, and chives in my tiny garden. Oh, and mint. Mint is one of my favorites to grow because you can brew a fresh cup of tea out of the leaves. I don't know if it's in my head or what, but I do think that it definitely tastes better when you grow it yourself. Tip number 3, I planted flowers to later enrich my indoor space. I love to plant seasonal flowers that add beauty and color to my backyard. My favorite part is I can trim them and put them in a vase once they bloom. It's an excellent way to bring a part of your garden inside and brightens up the room with a touch of nature. Right now, hydrangea flowers are in season throughout the summer and early fall, so I'll be harvesting some to put in my kitchen. Tip number 4, I made myself a comfy seat. Find a place to cozy up with a book or enjoy a cup of coffee. I don't have anything fancy, just this chair right here, but I like to lounge and enjoy the warm summer days, and I just love being outside. Tip number 5, I bring a portable speaker outside to listen to my favorite tunes. No oasis is genuinely complete without my favorite songs. So to truly set the mood, I bring my portable speaker outside and put on my summer playlist. If you're worried about disturbing your neighbors, you can trade in your speaker for some comfortable headphones. And those are the 5 things I like to do to make my backyard feel like my own little oasis. Are you planting your own roots and purchasing a new home? Make sure to shop around for mortgages with Homewise. NextHome can get you up to $1,000 cash back on your mortgage and get the best rate for you and save money in the process. Do this all online for free in just 5 minutes at homewisepartners.com/nexthome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below and visit our website nexthome.ca for more lifestyle stories like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.